Hello, I'm here to introduce a new tool called AutoOps. AutoOps is an enterprise compliance and operations automation solution. What is the value proposition of this tool? If you install and use this tool, it will dramatically reduce the time and cost required to process IT support tickets. Let's look at a couple of scenarios to contrast a typical way of processing support tickets versus the AutoOps way. Scenario 1. I'm a Java developer at a multinational bank. QA sends a defect ticket to me about an issue regarding an API that they are currently testing. But I'm unable to reproduce the issue in the development environment, so I need to look at the logs from the QA environment. Unfortunately, we don't have a log aggregator, and I don't have access to the QA environment. All I can do is create a support ticket, assign it to the support team, and wait until the support team has time to process the ticket. The wait can be considerable during off-peak hours, or if there are any higher priority production environment issues pending, well, it could be a while. I might end up irritating the support team with instant messages and emails. So after 6 hours or so, my ticket is finally processed. In the meantime, the QA team lead has let me know how little she thinks of my latest buggy software release and how much of the QA team's time has been wasted. Everyone is frustrated. How can this problem be solved with AutoOps? Let's look at a demonstration. This is the login screen of AutoOps. I'll click on Login. It redirected to the landing page. I'll click on the Request Page button. Okay, first we need to enter some basic information, one of which is going to be the server name or IP address that we'll be getting the log files from. Of course, we need to have a service account so we can get access. And let's take a look at a couple of the actions we can perform. One of which would be, hey, start an HTTP file server, and we'll need another port number. Another one would be, say, list the contents of a folder. Of course, you got to enter the path of the folder. But of course, what we're interested in is the last n lines of a log. So we'll put in, say, 10 for the last 10 lines. And of course, we need to put a file name with the path in. And I'll click on Submit. And we get a transaction number that's been assigned to our ticket. Let's take a look at the email that's going to get sent to the operations team. And this email is going to tell the operations team who's making the request, what action they are requesting, in this case receive part of a log file, where the log file is located, the script that will be run, and warns that if you hit accept, the requester will be notified. Well, now that I've clicked on accept, AutoOps will prompt the team member for their credentials. We'll put in the service account they're going to use, and the password, and then what type of security we might need. We need no additional. We don't need a token, so we'll just hit submit. Now I'll click on submit. We get back a status that the script ran successfully. And now we have a new email in my developer persona, and I'll open that up for us. And we can see that what was run and when it was run, what generally went on. I'll click on this output link where we can get more details. And now we can see the actual log file that was sent. And so everything was quick and easy. This is really the big payoff right here of AutoOps.